Another thing I think I'd like to hear your perspective, because you're active in the industry, is I hear lots of horror stories in very high-end, desirable areas like Aspen, Colorado, and various enclaves around the world, around the United States, that are desirable because they're leafy, they're green, they're attractive, and they have the services that people want. And of course, these homes have now are worth in the millions, and so even the wealthy people are priced out of that. But I think that we're seeing that gentrification. It's often called, where a neighborhood or a town that was once affordable has now been made unaffordable because wealthier people who made a ton of money in the stock market or in California or New York real estate or something. Then and so, how do we get out of that? Because there may be plenty of housing in some place that's less desirable, but it has fewer jobs, and so we may be facing a mismatch, right, of demand, because
Absolutely.
Everybody wants to buy a single family dwelling in a place with a big job market and lots of wealth and capital floating around. But of course, that's what all the wealthy want, and they got there first.
Well, yes, you bring up such a good point, is that first off, I believe that, the statistics, and they're very difficult to get these statistics, but I'm hearing numbers of like $4 to $6 million housing shortage just in the population. And that, of course, is difficult to really assess, because we have a lot of vacant homes. We have a lot of we have VRBOs. We've got vacation homes, your second home for people.